Most people still use ChatGPT just like Google without realizing its amazing potential to help them be more productive. Today I'll show you 8 powerful ChatGPT hacks that can help you run your business like a pro. Let's dive in. Improve your prompt. A simple prompt can give you a general answer. So the better you make your prompt, the more accurate responses you receive. The point is that you need time to write a good prompt. So I use a site called PromptCowboy to improve my simple prompt and turn it into a well-structured one. I'll add its link to the description. Now let's say I want new ideas for YouTube videos. So I'll type, I want new ideas for YouTube videos about business and AI. Then PromptCowboy writes a complete prompt that I can edit. Let's say I need 5 ideas instead of 10 ideas. Then hit update, copy the final prompt, and head to ChatGPT for an accurate response. Temporary chat. ChatGPT saves some memories of your past conversations to provide more accurate answers in future chats. So when you have one question and you don't want ChatGPT to update its memory about you, you can use temporary chat, which is similar to an incognito window in a tab browser. Just open a new chat, click on this icon to turn on temporary chat. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. Tasks. You can simply ask ChatGPT to perform specific tasks at a specific time. For example, every day at 10 a.m. generate 3 new YouTube ideas for business and AI. Then turn on desktop notification. Another example, every Monday at 8 a.m. ask me for my weekly goals. Canvas mode. Canvas mode is a great way to create and edit any document, as if you are talking to your personal assistant. Let's try this prompt. Create a content plan for my YouTube channel over the next 3 months, focusing on business and AI topics. It asked me some questions about the plan, so I'll answer them quickly. The 12-week content plan is ready. However, I want to make some edits, so I'll type open in Canvas. It asked me which part of the plan I want to include in the canvas. So let's say first month. Then click edit. Now you can ask ChatGPT to do anything you want in this plan. For example, I'll type, I want a different title for the video in week 2. As you can see, ChatGPT has updated the title of video for week 2. It's more like a conversation. I can also edit any word in the canvas. I can delete the word business and write marketing fundamentals instead. Then I close the canvas window and I can click download to save this plan. By the way, want to level up your business and scale faster? Join my weekly newsletter, link below. Custom GPTs. Custom GPTs are a good way to train AI using your documents and data without repeating instructions, making them perfect for long-term projects. You can access GPTs from the menu on the left side, so click on GPTs, then click create. Now you have 2 ways to make a custom GPT. The first is by chatting in the right window. The second way is to click configure in the left window, which gives you more control over your custom GPT. Now let's say I want to create a custom GPT to help me write a YouTube script. So I'll give it a name, YouTube script, write a description, and for instructions I'll get help from PromptCowboy to write instructions for this custom GPT. I'll type I want a prompt that will help me write a YouTube script. I think I don't need to edit the instructions generated by PromptCowboy, so I'll copy it, head back to ChatGPT and paste it. Then I can upload any files related to YouTube scripts that help the AI mimic my writing style. Then hit create. I don't want to share this custom GPT, so I'll choose only me, then save and hit view GPT. You can also find your custom GPTs in the menu on the left side. There are also many ready to use GPTs you can explore in the left hand menu. You can hit explore and you can see there are GPTs for different uses. So let's try logo creator. Hit start chat. I'll write a prompt, generate me a logo featuring a car. It asked me a few questions, so I'll give some answers. It took about 15 seconds to create this logo. Now you can ask ChatGPT to edit it the way you want, and you can also download it. Voice mode. This is by far the most interactive feature of ChatGPT because you can chat with ChatGPT just like talking to an old friend. All you need to do is tap this voice icon in the chat bar to activate voice mode, and you will be able to chat with ChatGPT.
Good morning. Hope you're having a great start to your day. Let me know if there's anything fun or productive on your mind today.
You can also click the microphone icon in the chat bar to turn your voice into a message without typing. So I'll say good morning. As you can see, it has converted my voice into words. This feature is quite useful for capturing your thoughts without having to type. Since you are still watching, I'd love to hear from you. Which ChatGPT hack can you use today to help your business? Drop it in the comments, and while you are there, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Visual analysis. You can upload any image and ChatGPT will analyze it in seconds. For example, you can take a screenshot of any website, upload it, and ask ChatGPT for ideas on how to outperform it. In this example, I'll take a screenshot of a YouTube channel, then go to ChatGPT, paste the screenshot, and ask ChatGPT how to outperform a channel like this one. ChatGPT analyzes the screenshot and tells me the best ways to outperform this channel. You can also use this function in many different ways. For example, you can upload any screenshot of any spreadsheet and ask ChatGPT to generate a summary. Projects. Projects are like folders in ChatGPT, so you can use them to organize your chats. You can find projects in the left sidebar menu. As you can see, I have created projects such as videos, market research, and personal projects. Then create new project to create one. I'll name it travel and then hit create project. Click add files to upload any documents related to this project. Additionally, you can tap the three dots on the top right corner to add custom instructions for this project. Click save so ChatGPT can recall these instructions each time you start a chat in this project. To sum up, ChatGPT can perform a wide variety of tasks you might never have imagined. That's why I keep a ChatGPT tab open in my browser, so I always remember to use it. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my newsletter, where I share ideas on how to start and grow your business. Link below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.